Check out my business website too.
In this video I demonstrate the use of the trial division method to find the nth prime. The number n is supplied in cell B1 and that prime is returned in cell B2. Here I enter n as 1000 and start the script. It takes 10 seconds. Straight afterwards, I run the script again to find the 10,000 prime. It takes around the same duration. Then I run for n equals 100,000. It takes around the same duration. For n equals 1 million, the duration is approximately 44 seconds. Now I open Excel desktop and keep Excel Online open and run the script for n equals 1 million. It takes over 4.5 minutes. Next I run the script in Excel desktop, but with Excel Online closed. The duration, this time, is just over 3 minutes. So, significantly faster. So, next, and this is the final test, I, additionally, switch off the autosave toggle keeping Excel Online closed. The duration this time is around 3 minutes 45 seconds. So, in summary, the fastest for the n equals 1 million case is using Excel Online with Excel desktop closed. A surprising result, given I have previous experience of Excel desktop running considerably faster. One possible reason for this is that in this demo I am not writing to or from the workbook at all except once to write the result. That is, it might be the case that Excel desktop is a faster platform for those scripts that read and write to the workbook. Perhaps you, the viewer, would like to experiment with this idea. Feel free to use this script for that. It can be found at the GitHub repo address that follows.
Check out my business website too.